is it now? Nothing that they're out of time again. What should I eat for lunch?
Good morning, sweetheart. Sorry, I don't want to disturb your beauty sleep. Let's go, honey.
Sweetheart, bye-bye.
Ow! What is it? Culinary school? Interesting. I think it's worth a try. Uh-oh, somebody's gonna be late. But I think it's not a big deal if I'm late in the first day. I'm gonna be alright. It's okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Sujatmiko. You can call me Kevin. I want to be
Morning. Is this Culinary Arts class?
Are you lost, baby girl?
No, but I'm sorry I'm late.
Net?
Can I sit down?
You stand in the corner of the class and the next introduction will be you.
Okay.
Well, okay, Kevin, please continue.
okay. Yes sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Sujatmiko. You can call me Kevin. I come from Kalimantan and I want to be professional cook or executive chef in 5-star hotel. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Cantika Berliana. You can call me Tika. I came from Semarang and I want to be executive chef in 5-star hotel. Same as Kevin. That's it.
Is that all? If you lots of motivation in here, the door will always be open for you. And one thing you have to know, this is not your playground. Well, okay, let's start the class.
Yes, sir.
Today I will tell you about general kitchen understanding. General kitchen understanding is... Okay guys, this is our kitchen and today I want to see your basic in cooking. So today we're gonna make it a pasta. You can use all the ingredients in here. Make your own pasta with all the ingredients here. Make sure it tastes great. You can make your own style pasta and give it your signature touch. And one more thing, don't disappoint me.
Yes, chef.
Well, okay, let's get started. Start the preparation. Clean as you go and make sure respect the ingredients.
Yes, chef.
I'll give you time 30 minutes starting from now. Great. Interesting. Hey ladies, what do you want to win?
I think I just need all of these ingredients.
I told you, you can use all the ingredients here. It doesn't mean all the ingredients you put in here. What you want to win? Freaking buffet.
No?
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, have you ever seen a pasta with a soy sauce?
No, sir.
What do you want to make? Chinese style of pasta? And what is it? Freaking fish oil. I told you a pasta. Do you know where pasta from? There's no a soy sauce or fish sauce in a Western cuisine, you know. Be smart.
Yes, chef. Can you tell me what should I do after this?
Now, my suggestion for you is you chop the parsley. We have a fresh parsley in here. It's giving a good color in the food and commonly used in Western cuisine. Just like this. It's very easy, very simple. Now I believe you can do it. Just like this.
Okay, thank you, chef.
Anytime. Get it?
Yes, sir.
The president looks really good. About the color, you mix it well, and it's a nice job for you. I like it.
Thank you, sir.
Then Lisa, even it looks like a bonsai in a marshmallow, but it's good enough because I know you break your limit here, and I appreciate that. And what is it? When I told you cook a pasta. Do you know what pasta looks like? And how the shape of the pasta? It's really disappointed me. And I think you're not supposed to be here. This is your place. I told you. And for right now, I want you to go home and go back to cry to your mama.
Hello, sweetheart. What's wrong? Don't worry. You remember this is your main choice. You have to believe you can do it. Maybe mom and dad won't always support me by your side, but we will always support you. I love you.
Yes, we will. I support you. I believe that you be a successful person. I love you, sweetheart.
Dah.
I love you, Mom and Dad.
I love you. Miss you.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes.
And what's your name?
My name is Cantika Berliana.
And what is this?
This is penne pasta served with arrabbiata sauce.
I like it. The texture is a little bit flat, but it's perfect for me. And the taste is so rich, creamy, and a little bit spicy. Okay. Thank you, Tika. Good job. Okay, for the winner in this food competition is, congratulations, Tika.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you.
What time is it?
Action. I want to be executive chef or professional cook in 5-star hotel.
Give a plus for
Mantan bro. Oke, kamera roll, action, rolling, and action.
Okay guys, this is our kitchen. One more thing, don't disappoint me.
Yes, chef.
Thank you. Okay.
Take lagi. Ya, waduh.